Welcome to ShareSpace Foundation. I created ShareSpace to invite each generation to the wonders of space travel. The human experience of exploring space is poised to go from the few to the many, from the astronaut explorers to private spaceflight pioneers, from colonizers and industrialists to space tourists, or as I like to say, global space travelers. Some people will go for curiosity and some for commerce, but it will take a momentum of will and imagination, the kind of shared passion and priority that got us to the moon in the first place. Our website is designed to serve as a clearinghouse of resources that will help all ages enjoy, prepare for, and literally fly into space. ShareSpace is to help us all have a share of space. Please get involved. Be, as astronauts say, ready for liftoff.